When it comes to moving or removing furniture, many homeowners and businesses in Austin may consider trying to tackle the job themselves. While DIY furniture removal can seem like a cost-effective solution, hiring local professionals for the job brings a wealth of benefits that can save you time, money, and stress. Whether you're decluttering, moving to a new home, or renovating your office space, here's why hiring local furniture removal experts in Austin makes perfect sense. Expertise in local conditions and regulations. Local furniture removal experts in Austin bring more than just muscle to the job. They bring a deep understanding of the area's unique challenges. Austin's urban landscape can range from high-rise apartments downtown to suburban homes in neighborhoods like South Austin or Round Rock. Each type of property presents different obstacles, whether it's navigating narrow hallways, parking restrictions, or the logistics of navigating busy streets. Local experts are familiar with these nuances and know how to get the job done efficiently. They also stay updated on local regulations, such as waste disposal rules, recycling protocols, and any special requirements for hazardous materials. By hiring professionals who understand these details, you can rest assured that the removal process will be seamless and comply with all local laws. Time and stress saving. Furniture removal can be a time-consuming and physically demanding task. From figuring out how to move large, bulky items to renting a truck and dealing with unexpected complications, it's easy to become overwhelmed. Local removal experts in Austin handle everything for you, from disassembling furniture to hauling it away, allowing you to focus on more important aspects of your move or home improvement project. In addition, these professionals work efficiently. Their experience and specialized equipment enable them to clear out your space much faster than if you were to try and do it on your own. They understand how to properly pack and load items to avoid damage, ensuring that everything is handled with care. Cost-effective in the long run. While hiring a professional removal service may seem like an added expense upfront, it can actually save you money in the long run. If you try to remove furniture on your own, you may need to rent a truck, buy packing materials, and spend hours, or even days, moving heavy items. On top of that, there's always the risk of damaging your furniture or property, which could lead to costly repairs or replacements. Hiring local experts ensures that everything is done safely and efficiently. They come equipped with the right tools, dollies, and padding to protect your furniture during the removal process. Additionally, their experience in handling large items means they can avoid accidents that might otherwise result in costly damages. Sustainability and responsible disposal. Austin is known for its eco-consciousness, and many local furniture removal companies align with this mindset by offering sustainable disposal practices. When you hire a local expert, you can rest easy knowing that your unwanted furniture will be disposed of responsibly. Many companies partner with local recycling centers, donation organizations, or thrift stores to ensure that furniture is reused or recycled whenever possible. This eco-friendly approach helps reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills, making it a win-win for you and the environment. Additionally, hiring a local team reduces your carbon footprint. They are based in the area, meaning they don't have to travel long distances to reach you. This results in less fuel consumption and fewer emissions, contributing to Austin's green initiatives. Support local businesses. When you hire a local furniture removal company, you're not just getting high-quality service, you're also supporting the local economy. Austin has a vibrant small business scene, and by choosing local experts, you help keep money within the community. Many local businesses are deeply committed to providing exceptional service and building lasting relationships with their customers, which means you're more likely to receive personalized care and attention. Local businesses also have a vested interest in maintaining their reputation within the community, so you can expect a higher level of accountability and customer service. With local removal services, you can easily reach out if you have questions or concerns before, during, or after the job. Convenience and flexibility. Local furniture removal experts in Austin offer a level of convenience and flexibility that large, national chains simply cannot match. Whether you need a quick furniture removal for a weekend move or a large-scale job with specific timing needs, local professionals are more likely to accommodate your schedule. They understand the pace of life in Austin and can offer flexible hours that work with your timetable, making the entire process smoother and more convenient. Conclusion. In Austin, hiring local furniture removal experts isn't just about convenience. It's about working with people who understand the local environment, care about sustainable practices, and provide the quality service you deserve. Whether you're moving, renovating, or just decluttering, local professionals can save you time, money, and stress while making the process easier and more efficient. By choosing a local company, you're also supporting your community and contributing to Austin's continued growth and success.